Hello and welcome back to Boa's Bikers channel. Today I'm going on a tour again. It's been a while. I've had some stuff to do around the house, and then the weather was really bad. It's not that good yet. They still predict some showers, but I thought, what the heck, it's time to ride. So here I am, solo again, so no co-riders. It's a Tuesday afternoon, and I'm on my way to do the Reynaertroute. It's a route of a bit more than 100 kilometers, or 111 it should be. For the moment it's sunny, but there are a lot of clouds. Showers are predicted, and also a lot of wind. So it could get windy today. I'm curious about my audio then. So I'm still getting used to the new setup of the bike, like I showed you in previous video. For instance, the handlebar raisers, I'm still getting used to them. It's a bit of a different feeling, but it definitely gives me a better position on the bike. A bit more upright, a bit more to the back. I'm a tall guy. I'm 1.97 meters, or that's about 6'5.5", I guess, something like that. So raising the handlebars is no problem for me. I'm also testing my new cruise control device. So it's not a real cruise control, but it's a throttle lock. So it's this device here. It's a clamp on your throttle, and if you have a certain speed, you just push it forward and it locks onto, or it pushes onto your brake lever. So the throttle can't slide back, and you keep your speed, kind of. But I sure have to watch my speed, because last time I got a ticket. I was doing almost 70 where I was allowed to do 50, but I really had no clue I was in a 50 zone. My bad. So on my right here, there's this Provincial Domain by Broek. It's a nice place to go for a walk, but there are also playgrounds for the children that are very nice. You can rent some bikes there, or you can go on a little train ride around the park. And they also have a part in the park where they have typical Belgian animals. You might say, how stupid is that? But it's to keep the original Belgian races alive. So you have sheep and cow and horses and chickens and ducks. It's nice. They also have a camping place, and a bit further on, but I don't think I will go that far, they have a golf course. Oh, yep, here it is, the golf course. So, and on the left here you have this canoe and kayak rental place. And it's a very nice thing to do in summers when it's hot. You can paddle downstream for a few k's, and there is this cafe, restaurant where you can get out, have something to drink or even something to eat, and then paddle back. It's a nice way to spend a summer's day at the weekends or holidays. So you see the blue and white hexagonal road sign here? That's the route I'm following, the Reynaertroute. But I also have the GPX, so on my navigation system. That's a TomTom 550. So if I miss a sign, I still have the route on the navigation. Let's see if the cruise control stays on. So it's not a cruise control you can set and go for hours and hours, but it's good enough to just let go for a few seconds, a minute, relax your arm, relax your hand. And I see it's slowly slipping, going down. It's also a bumpy road, so maybe on a highway or a road that's smoother than this, it might stay better. But still, I start at a bit above 70 and I'm still doing 70 on the dial. So that's good, I would say. I also like my new grips. I've put on some foam grips. It's like grip puppies, but they are not real grip puppies, not that brand. But they make the handlebars a bit bigger for me. I have big hands. Like I've said before, I'm a big guy. I'm 197, 6'5.5", and a bit over 100 kilograms, a bit more than, let's say, what is it, 220 pounds. That's also why I've put on mirror razor and widener, so that my mirrors are a bit higher and wider. And that's also a big help, so now I can see past my shoulders and my elbows. We are now arriving in St. Nicolas. It's a city in East Flanders, and it has the biggest city market square in Belgium. It's here on my left side. And they have this hot air balloon festival each year, where they let tens to maybe more than 100, I don't know, hot air balloons lift up from this market square.